This unlucky coincidence lengthened the cultivation time for the most coveted varieties even further. These patterns were later shown to be side effects from a viral infection, which weakened the infected bulb. For the sake of logic and cohesion, sentence 7 should be placed where? If we look at all of these possible options, we're going to see that some of them make sense and some of them don't make sense. The way that I like to approach this is to say these patterns, what patterns are we talking about here? We need to introduce the patterns so that we have an antecedent for the word these, right? We need to know what patterns we're talking about. So it has to go somewhere after sentence 5. Holy cow, that's an answer choice. Why don't we pick it? I don't know. Let's do it. Great. Does this also make the next sentence make more sense? Right? If we put it there, it says, these patterns were later shown to be side effects from a viral infection, which weakened the infected bulb. This unlucky coincidence, if we put it there, now we know what unlucky coincidence we're talking about.